Namaste. Today we will study about ADME as I have told you in the previous lecture about the pharmacokinetic means how body handle drugs. It is the action of the body on the drug, or we can say the movement of the drug in the body is the pharmacokinetics. So let's start from the ADME. First is absorption. Absorption is the process by which a drug enters the bloodstream without being chemically altered, or the movement of a drug from its site of application into the blood or lymphatic system. How drug transfer from the site of administration. First is filtration. Aqueous diffusion. Passage of drug through aqueous pore. Size should be less than size of pores. Has to be water soluble. That is sodium, glucose, caffeine. Second is diffusion. Drug supposed to pass membrane. Drug must be lipid soluble. High partition coefficient. High absorption. Third is carrier mediated absorption. In this, it is also divided into two parts: facilitated diffusion, passive but facilitated, like amino acids into the brain, then active transport, use of ATP and carrier protein, like methyldopa from the gut. Then fourth is phagocytosis and pinocytosis, process by which large molecules are engulfed by the cell membrane, forming a vessels and release them intracellularly. For example, protein and toxin. This is a summary of the transportation across a cell membrane. So you can see the passive, facilitated and active transport through a diagram here. Next is drug absorption. Transfer of a drug from its site of administration to the bloodstream is known as drug absorption. The rate and efficacy of the absorption depend on the route of administration. For IV delivery, absorption is completely, that is, the total dose of drug reach the systemic circulation. Drug delivery by other routes may result only partial absorption and thus low bioavailability. Factor affecting GI absorptions are pH of media and pK of drug. Next is area of absorbing surface. Next is particle size of drug. Next is formulation. Next is gut motility, then GIT blood flow, then gastric secretion and drug interaction. These are all factors which affect the absorption of the drug in the GI. A drug must be in a solution to be absorbed, since most drugs are either weak acid or weak base. pH affect their solubility and hence absorption. Weak base are absorbed more rapidly from the intestine than stomach. Small intestine is the major absorption site because it has large surface area, microvilli. There is a good blood supply, 1 liter blood supply per minute compared to 150 ml per minute in the stomach. Then permeability of the drug is greater in the small intestine. So here we have completed this. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you.